I carry my ginger oil in these little spray pump bottles. Can you see that? And I give these away. This oil is incredible. So this oil it's anti-inflammatory, it's rubefacient, it brings circulation. It's incredible for if for anybody that has any kind of pain or stiffness in the joints. Like some people, they wake up in the morning and the joints don't quite, get going quick enough. Achiness, stiffness, just inflammation, pain, especially joint pain. So that's why I give it in these little spray bottles. You can just put it right on whatever joint you're, having trouble with. If you work on the computer a lot and your wrists are getting yanked, right? You can do this and just rub it into your joints. And it's amazing. The ginger oil is incredible. It warms up the area, brings in circulation, and the body starts to get back into that area and get it moving. Okay.